So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic world of Vedic Mathematics, a 2 days workshop where we'll be learning some insights of Vedic Mathematics. So very first thing, I would ask you to pat yourself, to applaud yourself, because you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic Mathematics. Why I'm saying this? See, in life, nobody will encourage you, nobody will pat you, so it is the best thing is you pat yourself. I'll tell you why later on in the coming time. And with this, I'll just give you a brief introduction about myself. So I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandna, an author and trainer of Vedic Mathematics. I'm also an educator, and I motivate and help people to grow as an entrepreneurs. Now, this is the reason why I said pat yourself. First step is the most difficult one. You might be thinking about Vedic maths or something since long. Now, how many of us make resolutions every new year? Yes. How many of we make resolutions every new year? Yes, Vishal, Mr. Chetri, Akhila. So do we make resolutions?
Yes, yes.
And what happens on the first day?
Yes, yes. Meet is my first day too.
No,
I'm very exciting and I'm thank you for you.
मैं बोल निशा आपका स्पीकर खराब है, सबको आवाज आ रही है. Yes, Rinku. So you make resolutions in the new year, before new year? Yes or no? And what happens on the first day? What happens? We all plan. हर साल हम प्लान करते हैं. First Jan से we'll start with yoga, we'll start with meditation, we'll start with something for ourselves. And on the first day itself, what happens? रात को late party and सुबह, oh, let's start it from the next day. Or if it is Saturday, Sunday, we'll start it from Monday. Yes, this happens or not? Do we prolong our wishes, our response? Yes or no? But if you are supposed to go to a movie on the 1st Jan, do you avoid it? Miss करते हैं movie? Yes? Anyone? So why do we miss only what is constructive, what like meditation, shlokas, walking, anything like that? Why do we, or education? See, this is a human tendency. I will not say they are not good. See, always remember, whenever you have a positive thought in your mind, whenever you have a positive thought in your mind, there is always a doubt associated. जब भी आप कुछ भी पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे, एक डाउट आएगा, क्या ये ठीक है, क्या ये करना चाहिए. I won't say movies are negative, but they are not constructive also. यही कारण है कि हर साल हम जो रेजोल्यूशंस बनाते हैं वो छूट जाते हैं, और मूवी, डांस, पार्टी, एवरीथिंग कंटिन्यूज. Please tell me yes or no. Yes, Mr. Bhushan, yes or no?
Say again. The mic is not good for me.
So that was the reason I said tap yourself. अपने आप को शाबाशी दो, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करो कि हमने आज फर्स्ट स्टेप उठाया है टू लर्न वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स.
Yes, yes. From my heart.
So one thing, please understand, this is very important thing. Whenever you are planning to do something new, there is always a doubt. So घबराना नहीं है, just go on your path. What is life? What is expected from us? Only two things: to be self-confident and motivated. Are we self-confident? How many of you are confident?
Yes, 120%.
Yes, sir.
124%. Okay.
120%.
So how do you keep yourself confident? या motivate कैसे रहते हैं?
By the literature and by nationality and by our Hindu mathematics and Vedic mathematics are the initial civilization.
Okay.
We learn in the literature.
Yes. See, this is what is expected from a human. आप कोई भी ग्रंथ, कोई भी epic उठा के देख लीजिए. Only two things are required in your life. That is motivation and be confident. And what is happening today? Are we? हम छोटी-छोटी बातों पे we get demotivated. Oh, I'm not feeling good, so I'll not do work today. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not have food today. This is what is going on with us today. So very first thing, remember, you are taking a new step today. And this is the right time to start. Never think, oh, I am too old. So this is a journey of positivity and confidence. And today, what we will learn here is, first thing, what is Vedic Maths? We'll learn the basics of that. Second, this workshop is also related to launch your classes and lead towards success in life. Yes. So before we start with Vedic mathematics, anyone who has any knowledge, any prior knowledge of Vedic maths. So do you know what is Vedic maths? Yes, Vishal, Akila ma'am. Yes, Rinku. Dil Chetri, Shilpa. Anyone? Am I not audible? Yes, Akila ma'am, please. Volume, आपका mic बंद है. Your mic is off.
Yeah. So there are some shortcuts to make maths easy.
Okay.
So these are these shortcuts which Vedic maths teaches us.
So Vedic maths is shortcuts of mathematics, right?
That's what I've thought.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Priyanka.
The Vedic math is basically a history of heritage of India, which is based on some sutras, as far as I know. Yes, it is a shortcut. We cannot say shortcut. It is the intelligence of our India, of our astrologers, of our mathematicians, that is now very much populated, and we call it as a shortcut.
Okay. Anything else? Vishal, you're already teaching abacus. So you might be knowing something about Vedic maths also.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Vedic math, there are many things, but initially, the Hindu-Arabic number system was the great achievement in the initial Vedic mathematics, because when the Eastern philosophers in France, Europe, and some America later, they have so much difficulty when they are counting number, the Roman system, I, C, D, M, like this. And our history, when they learn our Vedic mathematics, that is the Hindu-Arabic system, 0 to 9, 10 digits, and they have the excited and followed our Vedic mathematics. It is the initial point for me.
Thank you. Okay. Now, see, everybody knows that, yes, Vedic maths is just a shortcut to mathematical calculations. In one way, you are all correct. But today, I'll tell you, it is not only mathematics. It is a way to lead life. See, Vedic mathematics has been taken from our Vedas. Do you know how many Vedas are there? Yes, how many Vedas do we have?
4 Vedas.
Four Vedas.
Yes, which one?
Atharvaveda.
Okay, Atharvaveda, then?
Rigveda.
Atharvaveda,
Okay.
Samved,
Rigveda,
Then?
Yajurveda.
Yajurveda.
So we have Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharveda. So this
Atharveda.
particular subject, Vedic mathematics, it has been taken from Atharveda. The fourth Veda, which deals with mechanics, which deals with medicine, which deals with manuscripts, which deals with all the sciences which we are today aware of. And why it is called as Vedic? Why not something else? Because Vedic itself means ocean of knowledge. So this is a brief, if you talk about why Vedic mathematics, how this name was developed. So it is because of Atharveda. Now, yes, Atharveda, it was taken, but we got this by the efforts of Jagadguru Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath. Now, who was he? He was a Shankaracharya, a great scholar at Govardhan Peeth. Now, Govardhan Peeth, for all those who are in India, you might be knowing it is a place in Orissa, Govardhan Peeth. And Nepal also, everybody knows. So it is one of the Shankara Peeths in India. And Jagadguru Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath, he was a great scholar. He was a Shankaracharya at that place. And at that time, he gave us all these concepts which we today compile and we call it as Vedic mathematics. Got it? So the name was because of its origin from Atharveda, and we got this subject because of the efforts of Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath. Now, technically, when we talk about, because when we'll be discussing in the class, technically language. So Vedic maths is a collection of what? It is a collection of, since the background is same mathematical, we talk about calculations. So it is a collection of techniques, or what do we call the techniques in maths? We call them formulas. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas. But here in Vedic maths, we call them the formulas as sutras. So we can say it is a collection of techniques, formulas, or sutras which helps to make our mathematical calculation simple, easy, and faster. 3 words. And if you want one word, Vedic mathematics makes your mathematics magical. Got it? Now, another question arises, how many formulas do we have? So we have 16 formulas, which we call it as 16 sutras, and 13 sub-formulas, which we call as sub-sutras. So sutra means formulas only, right? It's just a Sanskrit word for them. One more question arises, where do we use Vedic mathematics? So Vedic mathematics can be used for entire calculation purpose. Let it be your arithmetic. Yes, please. So Vedic mathematics can be used in arithmetics, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. Right? So it can be used in everywhere, wherever you find mathematical calculation. So you find mathematical calculation in physics also, there also we can use. Because just understand, Vedic maths makes mathematical calculations easy, faster, and simple. Yes. Any questions now you have regarding what is Vedic maths and from where it was derived and all, regarding history of Vedic mathematics? Yes. Anyone? Yes, Gati, Surendra. Any question you have? Shruti? Shruti, you should ask questions because you are already teaching, so that would be enlightenment for everyone. If you'll ask, they'll also gain some knowledge. Priyanka, Inesh, Nisha. Nisha, now you are getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So any question you have now up till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, let's move further. Now, question arises, why Vedic mathematics? And the moment we reach to this question, the first thing comes in our mind is, it helps to solve calculation faster. That is why we call it as tricks. Yes, everybody has gone through this word. It helps to solve mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Have you gone or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, others. We have 25 people more.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
take it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, all of you have read this in Google, Facebook, every media, in papers also, newspapers also. I have a different question over here. और वो question है, why does it happen? Yes, I agree. Vedic math, it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. But question arises, why? Yes, anyone? All those who have any knowledge, they can.
Because the technique is totally different compared to normal what we were dealing in previous methods.
Conventional mathematics. You're talking about, it is entirely different from conventional mathematics, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so this is one reason. Great. Other?
And they have devised this in a very simpler form and very in a very totally different way. We can do number of long multiplication in a very simplest form.
Okay. Yes, anyone else? Thank you.
So different type of calculation method.
Okay. Calculation, the technique is different.
Different.
Yes.
Okay.
It's faster. Yeah.
That is what I see. Why Vedic math? Because it makes the calculation 10 to 15 times faster. Now, my question is why? Why does the calculations become faster? See, we need to understand the reason behind it. Ratta nahi marna. See, I'll tell you the difference between maths and Vedic maths. Maths, you can cram. Vedic maths, if you'll cram, then nobody will learn it. Because they are already suffering from, okay, a very simple question to all of you. Most of you are from mathematics background. Why do students have fear of mathematics?
Because
Yes? Please. Bikram, we will be providing everything. Please don't write like this. Will you provide yes or no? You can ask anything. You will be provided with everything, sir. Be generous in writing. Yes, tell me. Why do students have fear of mathematics? Or anyone has, let's say, even we all have fear of maths. Why?
Sir, I feel we've not gone through the basics well when in our earlier days.
Okay.
The basics have not been taught it's everything is rattamaring, right? From day one. It is like 2 into 3, 3 into 2 is 6. I never knew why 3 into 2 was 6.
Okay.
It's like 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. But why is it so? We didn't know.
Okay.
So because everything was taught not quantifying the maths. Maths is all about quantity. We were never taught that at that age. So we only find ratta maring, and over the years, it becomes too much of to memorize because you have to understand the concepts at some time. So then the fear creeps in because, oh my, there's so much to learn. There is so many new things to do. So the fear creeps in at that age.
Okay.
And I feel this goes on adding on as you grow older.
And so what steps you have taken since you see now you know the root cause? So how How are
I
you?
am right now. I've only I'm a special educator. I work with children with special needs.
I got it. I know.
So I did my Montessori training, and I'm trying to learn new methods of training to make maths easy for the children.
Okay.
Now I've learned the Montessori way, and I know how Montessori helps. Now
Okay.
today I'm in Vedic Maths class. The same thing. I want to see how Vedic Maths is going to help my children.
Correct.
Hmm.
Perfect.
Children with dyslexia, children with
Got it.
dyscalculia, and all that.
Got it. Okay. Now you used the word cram, correct?
Hmm.
You use word. Where did this word cram started from?
So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 from there.
So indirectly mathematics, and you're talking
Mathematics,
about
first standard, second standard.
Yes. Now, very interesting is all the teachers, let it be any science teacher, social science teacher, any language teacher, anyone, everybody says, understand the concept, learn it, and remember it. Correct?
But they
This
don't
is
teach you.
this is how they follow. But the moment maths class starts, or if we talk about tables particularly, now tables, everybody understands how to understand that tables. Today we'll do that. I'll make sure that you all will feel, if we were taught that earlier, we would have never a fear of maths. See. Now, so that is the time when they first understand or they learn the word cramming. Tables, cram it. And the system becomes cram, remember. Learning gone and your understanding gone. Until class 6, a child is not able to understand whether learning, understanding, remembering is the thing, or cramming and remembering is the concept. So you are misguided that way. So yes, coming back to 10 to 15 times faster. Again, we are trying to cram Vedic mathematics. That was my point. It is easy. It is a trick. Okay. This is what we all know. It is easy. It is trick. So do it. So what is the difference? Again, you are just making them cram another concept. So what is the difference then? That's why initially I told you Vedic maths is not only mathematics. It is a life-changing process. You need to associate every learning with the livelihood, every learning with the daily routine work. That is where they'll be understanding, they'll be practicing. So we'll discuss on that. Now, the very first thing. So my question was very simple. Why the speed increases? Everybody knows speed increases. This we have fixed in our minds. Vedic math means increase in speed. Question is why? Yes, anyone has an answer? I have taken that answer. It is the concepts are very simple, formulas are simple. Any other reason behind it? Sarah, Rachna, yes, please.
15 times faster.
Sorry. हाँ बेटा
So it decreases paperwork.
Yes, it decreases paperwork. Very good. That's valid point. Okay. Now a question for every one of you. How do we read a paper? Which direction?
Left to right.
Left to right.
We read a paper from left to right. Correct? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
How do we write on a paper?
left to right.
Left to right. Now, all of you are sitting at your place, on your chair, on your bed, just see in front of you. You will see something placed in front of you. The first instance, you will see things placed on the left-hand side and then towards the right-hand side. Just observe. It's just an observation. Now, when we do so that means we are doing everything left to right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So my question to all of you is, then why do we do maths reverse?
Right to left.
Because
Why?
we've been taught to do, that's it.
Wow. So your Akhila ma'am, Now this is, our parents taught us to please, Narad. Our parents taught us to eat rotis, chapatis. Where did we learn this? Pizzas, pastas? Only on the sake of knowledge, only on the sake of education,
But
we
the
say we were
variation-
taught like this.
But only the variation changes there.
Sorry, come again, ma'am.
For pizza and all that, only the variation changes. But the material what we used was the same, but a slight variation gives the different result.
So a slight variation from doing mathematics from left to right may give a big result. Did we try?
Yeah, we have to.
Did we try that?
Yes.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't try.
That's what I see, Kausar ma'am. You're not understanding my point.
Yeah.
Akhila ma'am said we were taught like this. See,
Yes.
this is a problem in knowledge, in education. What do? Whatever we were taught, we just keep following that. Okay, how many of you got punishment, were scaled, or were beaten up due to tables? I want a honest reply, though I know everybody got it.
But I tell you one. But I tell you one thing, sir. What we learned at tables in previous years when we were small. Nowadays, the children are learning from the beginning itself, from the LKG, UKG. But still, they are not masters compared to us. They are so weak in tables because the technique what we learned it was totally different. And now what the teachers are teaching, it's totally different.
My question is very simple, ma'am. I'll tell you that also.
Yeah.
My question is, how many of you were beaten, scaled, or got the punishment for tables? Let's say how many of us have a fear of tables?
Fear of tables.
Yes. Okay.
No fear.
वो तो बचपन का था ना, when we were small in 5th and 6th.
So, Kausar ma'am, can you, how much time you need to write a table of 89?
They used to give us lots to practice. Only till 12 we practice, not more than that.
But today,
12.
Today my question is, how much time you need to write a table of 89?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
89,
10
ma'am,
to
8
15.
and 9. How much time you need?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who less than this, please, you can send me an answer on chat if you cannot say. What is the least time anyone will take?
5 minutes.
Okay, still everybody is thinking. So let me tell you, we'll do it in 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Yeah.
Yes, 10 seconds. So that is the thing. But we'll come to that topic. Very first was, now, because you're doing mathematics the reverse way, that is the reason your mental mathematics is slow.
Yes.
Because we'll find this answer today itself. You all will experience this, and then I would ask the answer from you. But right now, I'll give a point. Due to this change in the direction, our mental mathematics is slow. Correct. Second point. So this was regarding direction. Second, somebody told. Now, a very simple question. If you are assigned with some work, if you do that work yourself independently, you do it faster, or if you further give it to anyone, that would be faster. Yes, doing work independently is faster, or depending on someone is faster?
Doing independently is always faster.
Always faster. So here also, you are independent of paper and pen. Today also, I'll make sure you don't use paper, you don't use pen. In some concepts, we will not use paper as well as pen, and you will be faster than the calculator within 10 minutes. So because you are independent of paper and pen, your speed automatically increases. So this is the reason behind it. Third reason. Yes, anyone has? Yes, Yogesh, कुछ कहना है? See, if you have something to say, please go ahead. मैंने पहले ही बोला, this is not a webinar. मैं lecture नहीं दूंगा. Let's talk about it so that everybody understands. Third point. Now, दो बच्चे लड़ रहे होते हैं, तो as a parent, as a mother, आप क्या करते हैं? सबसे पहले आप दोनों की लड़ाई छड़ा के you say calm down. Now, what is the reason behind it? See, very important thing which Vedic maths or anything works is visualization. You can also say observation, visualizing something. So this is what we work on. Second, reasoning. And third is logic. Now, how it is implemented?
Visualize.
आपका बच्चों का एग्जाम्पल था, बच्चों में भी आप यू से calm down because you want them to realize first. Or you might have observed number of times, आपको किसी ने कुछ कहा, if you respond immediately, things worse. But if you take time, cool down, then the certain things are automatically sorted out. Visualization is basically observation. In Vedic maths, it is not that you'll be doing the work or the calculation part as same. No. Depending on every number, the method may change. The approach may change. So you start gaining a habit of observation, जो हम अभी तक छोड़ चुके हैं. एक example दे रहा हूँ, एक question I'm giving to everyone. You can write down the question. I just want to understand how will you solve it. Yes, Akhila ma'am. This is a question 576 into 121. Nisha, how will we solve this? I don't want the answer, please. I just want what would be the first step to solve.
We've been traditionally asked to do 6 and multiply 6 into 1, 6
Perfect.
into 2.
No problem.
6 into
No
1.
problem. No problem. You'll do like this and starting with
Yeah.
this. Correct? Anyone who has a different approach? Yes, Mr. Bhushan. कैसे करेंगे? How will you solve?
100. So 100 plus 20 plus 1.
100 plus 20 plus 1. So no worries. It's okay. Yes, sir. Mr. Bhushal, how will you solve? You are not unmuted. Shruti? Lakshmi?
So earlier traditional method, but now I use Vedic Maths.
Great. So that's
Traditionally, we'll do like 276 by 121 or 166.
Okay. Now, just remember this question and I'll make sure that you all will change your answers. Now, why I'm saying you change your answers? Because we'll be doing some different concepts and thereafter you'll start visualizing these numbers. Right. Yes, Yam Sharma. Anyone? Okay. Just keep in mind. So we work on visualization, reasoning, and logic. That means you'll observe the things first, not as it is, ki whatever a teacher is saying, we just write down the question and start doing the operation. No. You need to understand. You need to find out what is behind that, and that is called as visualization. And this VRL. If any one of you have these three qualities, you know, it's called as life-changing process. आप किसी situation में आ जाए life की, you come across any situation in your life. If you understand how to visualize things, how to observe things, then there could be no problem at all with you. because you know how to solve it. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, जल्दबाजी, हड़बड़ाहट में we just make more confusions create. So this is a life-changing process. आज आप, so whatever I'm talking about right now, we'll work on that, we'll visualize that, we'll feel that, we'll experience that, and you'll see you all become faster than the calculators within the time of 10-15 minutes. What is the fourth point? And yes, whenever you'll have these three qualities in your life, your speed will automatically change. Fourth point, somebody told if we do the calculations without paper and pen. Yes. So that means some part of the calculations you are keeping in your intellect. दिमाग में रखते हैं ना थोड़ी सी calculation. Now, with Vedic Maths, both your brains start working. Both your right brain and left brain both gets activated. Yes, Akhila ma'am. So, who has right brain active and who are the people who have left brain active?
The creative people are the right brain.
Okay. And left brain? Yes, Narad, Rachna, Bikram.
Okay. Left-handed person, they use the right brain, and a right-handed person use the left brain.
नारद जी, आपके घर में बड़े हैं, पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स?
Yes.
क्या उन्होंने आपके बच्चों को अलाउ किया, कर दिया था लेफ्ट से लिखना?
नहीं.
But those who write with the left hand and they do most of the things with the left hand, they are more intelligent. Because in our family there are two girls, they use their left hand. They're very intelligent. बहुत tricky होते हैं, बहुत manipulative होते हैं.
I'll tell you one thing. आप सिर्फ दो का एग्जांपल, मेरा क्वेश्चन बताइए ना, आंसर फातिमा मैम. आपकी मदर ने या आपकी ग्रैंड मदर ने क्या अलाउ किया आपके बच्चों को लिखने दिया?
नहीं, they were forcing us. Don't write with your left hand, write with your right hand.
That is what I am asking. इसका मतलब हमें पता है लेफ्ट ब्रेन वाले इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, फिर हम उन्हें क्यों इंटेलिजेंट नहीं बनने देते?
Because it looks odd करके, maybe, I don't know what is the reason.
That is our problem. For everything which is, see, we need to search the reasons behind everything. Na? Please understand one thing. In India, I am not sure about Nepal. Nepal कभी वैसे नहीं allow करते, but other countries में तो खैर पता नहीं मुझे. But our parents, our grandparents were very like, no, we won't allow. बच्चे को वो तो देखते भी नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब, see, it's not like that. But what she told initially, that was correct. The people who are into arts, creativity, they have their right brain active. And people who are logically stronger, they have their left brain more active. Right? So that means what Vedic Maths does. With Vedic Maths, both your brains start working. I'll show you today that for simple calculations, till now we were not using our brain. It was like we are doing in a normal procedure. But when you'll try to do it mentally and you'll start using both your brains, so that is the best part. When you are able to, your both brains get activated, your speed automatically increases. These are the four basic reasons why Vedic Maths speed increases. First was the direction. We can calculate mathematical problems left to right or right to left, both. Second, we are doing everything independent of paper and pen. So when we are doing it independently, our speed increases. Third, visualization, reasoning, logics are become stronger, so the speed is increased. And the fourth, last but not the least, both the brains get activated, so we are able to do faster. Correct? So now we'll, after this, we'll start with the calculation part. Take out your paper and pen. We'll start with paper and pen. Some points you can write down. then I'll say not to use and will not need also. But before that, any questions on this? Yes, any questions you have? Yes, Rachna Subha. You're writing something, left hand se khane nahi dete. Anything you want to share? Dil, Shruti, Sumit.
So I
Anyone?
have a question. I have a question.
Please, Shruti.
Like my daughter, her left brain is active, but her right brain is not at all. I cannot say not at all, but at the age of 7 also she is not able to identify which number is bigger. So she is going to counselors and we are going to doctors also. So by which age I should help her to understand if this gonna help? Because today I got to know that it is good for those children also to make both the brain active. So my question is that by which age? Right now she is of 7 years. So by which age I should introduce Vedic maths to her?
Now, when we talk about Vedic maths, what is the basic requirement of Vedic maths? What is the need? What should be the prior requirement? So the prior is single digit addition. Correct? And single digit addition we generally learn class 1 also. Correct. And second thing we need is tables up till 8. So I hope both these
up to 8. Up to 8?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So that means a 7-year student is in class 2nd, correct?
No, sir. Right now, unfortunately, she is in class 1.
No problem. See, one thing is medical, you have to continue because I'm not a medical doctor, but yes, start. What approach I'll tell you is there is you are already doing Vedic maths. There is a concept called doubling.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication
Yes,
with 2.
Yes.
That is the best exercise for brain. That's the best exercise if you give time. Like if you want her to answer in that time. That's the best exercise where both your brain starts working. In 11 also it works, but 2 is the best one. Right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Yes, anyone else? Yes, sir. Bhushal, sir. You have something to ask?
Sorry, sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
I'm Sarah Musal's daughter.
Yes, please.
And I am suffering from brain tumor. Post-brain tumor that is not cancer, but it is reoccurring. It only occurs billion people in one. I'm that one.
How can I mention this?
Due to my doctor operated my right hand mid brain. My whole right side is about paralysis, semi-paralysis.
Don't worry, beta. You'll be all right. And this time I'll be visiting Kathmandu. I'll meet you. I'll tell you. But till then, today we'll do 11 multiplication. So we'll learn something.
I'm trying to do. I'm doing physiotherapy, all, but also I can't. My memorizing power is too low.
It will improve. Don't worry. Today I'll give you some homework. You try that, then we'll work out. I'll have a separate session with you, right? Yes, anyone else? Anyone else? Any question? Okay, then please take out your paper and pen and we'll start with the calculation part.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm also not able to do other things like people do. Due to high dose of medicine, I always feel sleepy, and due to scissoring.
Individually, he will guide you individually in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Right, we'll do it, beta. Don't worry. Okay. So this was the first point. Why Vedic Maths? The reason, because it helps to increase the speed 10 to 15 times faster. And we understood 4 reasons how speed increases. So this was the first major point. Why should we do Vedic Maths? Because this is a very big question. Why should we do maths? We already have maths. We have so many subjects. So let's start with the first topic, that is multiplication. A very easy concept for everyone. I would say every one of you can do it, and you'll see you'll be able to do faster than calculator. So the first topic is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So what are the multiples of 11?
22, 33, 44,
right?
55.
Correct. Very good. Now, do you know 11 is such a magical number? Very magical. You multiply 11 with any single digit number. The result is same single digit number written twice. Check. Check with 7, 77. Check with 5, 55.
5.
Check with 6, 66. It's a very magical number. But does this magic continues when we go for bigger numbers?
No.
Yes.
After.
It should.
It goes. But the thing is, we are unaware about it. And today I'll tell you that also.
We have to.
10 and 1.
Now see, that I'll tell you how. Let's say we have to multiply with 12 first. So normally what do we do? 12, 11, 0, 1, 2, and the answer is 132. Correct, everyone?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
But see the magic. First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. Got it?
Okay.
First digit as it is, last digit as it is, and in between add the two numbers. One more example. 23. What is 2 plus 3? 5 and 3. Finish. Is it faster?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is 34 into 11? Please,
74.
we are going only with 11 right now. So
374.
374.
74.
I want the answer from 25 people, so it should sound like that.
Boy, kya ho?
Yes, Kausa ma'am. 34
Sorry,
into
sir.
11.
No, sorry, sir. They painter, they dropped that something. That's sorry.
What is 42 into 11?
462.
Only one person attending.
462.
462.
See, because you will experience the magic only if you will answer. If you will not answer, you will not feel from inside. You will, and particularly, please, all from Nepal. See, you all have allowed your students to use calculators because your system, education system, says calculators from class 8 onwards, even in the exam system, even in the exam halls. Though we don't allow in our exam halls. Now, what is happening due to this? I'll give you, just after this, I'll tell you how it is impacting your life. 41 into 11?
451.
451. Very good. Yes, if you are not able to speak, please write down the answers. Yes, Sumit, correct. 36 into 11?
396.
396.
Again, I'm able to hear voice of only 3 people.
396.
4. Rachna, Subha, Rinku, Shruti.
So what is 37 into 11?
Yes, we'll come to that.
Okay.
That is one thing we have
Another
to understand. Yes.
That is another.
17 into 11.
187.
187.
Now, a very okay. I'll hurriedly ask 3-4 questions, and then what she asked, I'll answer that also. 51 into 11.
561.
561.
62 into 11.
682.
682.
71 into 11.
781.
80 into 11.
80.
880.
See, you all are
880.
going faster than the calculator. Now, only difference is now comes the point. 36 into 11.
396.
396.
But what is 37 into 11?
Ah.
07.
Now, you need to understand one important thing before that. That is place values.
Mm.
Do you remember this concept?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
many digits at unit place?
Units 10, 0.
How many digits at unit place?
1.
Yes,
One.
Joy.
1. 0.
One.
Okay. And how many digits are?
Only 1 digit.
1 unit. Mean
How
unit.
many digits at tens position?
10 units.
1.
10.
1 tenth. 1 tenth. Yes.
Why do you say 110?
110.
See, digit would be 1 only. The number could be here also. It could be 0 to 9. Any number could be there. Here also it could
Correct.
be 0 to 9.
So 110.
It is 1 digit only.
Mm.
100. Only 1 digit.
100.
What
One
we have
digit.
crammed is, if you ask this to a student, 1, 2, 3, 100 means 3, tens means 2, one's unit means 1. It is wrong. Please understand, you all are sitting on one chair.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You need one chair to sit. Can 2 people sit on one chair? No.
Mm.
If you remember, if students are coming in the class, they have to occupy the chairs. What happens? They occupy one chair and then push the student to the other one. Go to the next. This I'm sitting. This is what exactly happens. Now I'll show you.
Habit of Faizan.
The 36 was 3. Now this I'm putting a line. This Sir, ma'am, please mute kar lijiye.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Now these are called as balancing lines. So we were maintaining single digit at every position. Unit place, 1 digit, fine. 10 position, 1 digit, fine. 100 position, 1, fine. But what happened in 37? It became 3, 10, 7. Now this is correct. Unit place, 1 digit. Can we have 2 digits at 10th position? No. So this is what happens. एक बच्चे ने एक चेयर ले ली तो वो नेक्स्ट को पुश करता है ना. So that is what you have to push.
407.
So the extra digit is pushed to the next position. So that is the reason it becomes 407.
Oh, okay.
See the balance.
Because you can accommodate only 9 chairs in one seat. 9 people in one seat max.
No, ma'am.
No.
9. You're again misunderstanding the point. Only one will come. One could be boy, girl, anything. Please understand that way. So
No. We can accommodate only between 1 and 9.
Leave that point. Think about we can accommodate only one person or one digit. Because if you'll go like
what
that,
if it was 11 then? What it was 3, 11, 7?
Then also 1 here, 1 here. When will it come? It will not come 3, 11, 7 in this particular 11. It will be 38 into 11.
Yeah, 38 into 11.
So then this is there. Then also 418.
Oh, you're transposing the tens number.
Yes, the extra digit. Because you cannot have 2 digits at one position. Only 1 digit is allowed.
No, we are transposing the right digit, not the left digit. Is there the matter there?
See, why we are transposing the right digit? Because that is the extra one. No? Only 1 single digit is allowed. And first you will be allowing the unit place only.
Unit place is the right. What is there on the right side, right?
That is their unit place. That is the reason we have put balancing lines. See here now there are two different identities. 38 you are multiplying.
Acha, 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 acha.
3.
Okay, okay.
This is 11. This is 8. So the here can we have 2 digits? No. So extra digit moves further. Now this you have to do mentally. How?
No, suppose it is, sorry to interrupt, just to understand more. So if it is 39 into 11.
So what is, first is 3. What is 3 plus 9? 12. So
Okay.
4 to 9.
So what am I retaining? I'm retaining 2.
Yes, you have to retain the number on the unit part of that particular.
Correct. Now I understand.
Correct.
That becomes an entity, and so that unit place is always retained. Acha, okay, fine. Interesting, sir.
Now, what is 46 into 11? Now you stop using paper and pen.
506.
506.
Now you don't have to use paper and pen. Please understand this way.
Oh yeah, 516.
First digit, please understand this way. First digit, one brain says 4. Because I said first digit as it is, then add, then last digit. But the second brain thinks, no, I'm getting a carryover because 4 and 6 will always give you a carryover. So what happens? You write one more or add 1 to that number. And what is the answer of 4 and 6? 10. 1 is already taken. So 0 is left. And the last digit as it is. So you will do mentally. Whatever is the question. 77. So 7 means 8. 4.
So once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, repeat that 46 wala sum.
46 में.
Yeah.
First digit as it is हमने करना था.
हाँ.
But our other brain says we are observing ना. दो काम एक साथ कर रहे हो. एक तो आप वो नंबर याद कर रहे हो. दूसरा आप ये देख रहे हो कि there is a carry over coming. 4 and 6 will always give you a carryover.
Yes.
So we add the carryover initially. 5. 4 plus 1 is 5.
Okay.
And 0 is there. Second part. And 6 as it is. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
77. So 7 means increase 1, 8. 7 plus 7 क्या देता है? 4 left. 4 and 7. Now you are doing it mentally. Don't use paper and pen. The more you will do it mentally, faster you will become, more you will be able to understand. What is 92 into 11?
92 into 11.
Yes, Mr. Bhushan, how are you doing?
1012.
1011.
See, last cannot be 1 because 2 is there, na? So 9 means 10 and 1. So 1012.
1012.
Correct.
Correct.
More. 49 into 11. Yes, please. Students will love this.
539.
539. Got it. Now, all of you have got calculators or mobile calculators at least. Try. Who is faster, you or your calculator? See, in calculator, you'll be pressing 5 digits, 6 digits in fact. 4, 9, then into, then 11, then is equal to. And here, you are just thinking and you are able to do. So whenever you will do mentally the things, I told you independent of paper and pen, and see speed is increasing. Correct. Okay. 38 into 11. Fast.
418.
Yes, everyone. Please answer on the chat. Sumit answering. Only Sumit is answering. Where are others? Dil. Bhushal sir. 418. Perfect. Okay. 57 into 11. 57 into 11.
627. 627.
6 to 7.
Correct. Anyone has any doubt now? Anyone? Yes,
No.
Akila ma'am. Kausar? Anyone? Yes, Yogesh?
No.
Vikram? Sneha? Inish? Rachna? Narad, anyone has any? Vishal?
multiply करते 11 से ज्यादा ढूंढो.
Yes, Shilpa, you want to say something? Yogesh, you have any question? पूछ सकते हैं आप. हिंदी में पूछ लीजिए या इंग्लिश में पूछ लीजिए.
डाउट ही नहीं है सर.
क्या चीज? डाउट नहीं है? चलिए और आगे बढ़ते हैं. So what is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99 into 11. What is 99 into 11? Fast.
1089.
Very good. Finish.
Yeah.
So, see, Akila, you are better than calculator. Otherwise, 6 digits press करने थे. Now what happens this?
Oh wow, this is superb.
This wow word should come out. And you know when this wow word comes from the student's mind? Interest. Now, okay, I have a question for you. Everyone, in fact, हमारी एक कंप्लेंट होती है बच्चों से, मदर्स की टीचर से और टीचर की मदर से, my child is not able to concentrate, my child is not able to focus, my child is not able to pay attention. Akila, you are dealing with special kids, so ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा होगी, but otherwise also this is there. So what is
definitely?
How do you give the answer to this? My child is not able to concentrate, my child is not able to pay attention, he is not able to focus.
So with respect to special needs children, we have various activities designed to improve on their focus. That's it. I'm not touching the academic part here.
Yes, yes, Bhushal sir, Vikram. How do you help or how do you give the answer to this question? If a parent is asking to a teacher or teacher is asking to a parent, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स की कंप्लेंट टीचर से रहेगी, टीचर की कंप्लेंट पेरेंट्स से रहेगी. बोलिए प्रियंका. Priyanka, you're not answering. Are you getting some?
Sir, I am listening everything because as I told you, I am suffering from fever. That's why I did.
Sorry. Yes,
Yes,
Nisha. Shruti. Vishal.
Sir, as far as my concern is there, a lack of interest. Due to the lack of interest, students are not able to understand or have fear of maths.
अभी हमने मैथ्स की तो खैर बात भी नहीं की. Yes. Now see, दोनों शिकायत तो करते हैं, माँ बाप बच्चे पेरेंट्स से, सॉरी माँ बाप टीचर से, टीचर माँ बाप से. इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि दिस इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ अबैकस और वैदिक मैथ्स विशाल, इट इज अ जनरल क्वेश्चन. बट एक yes, Kausar, do you have anything to say?
But to teach to the students, it will take long time, sir, because we have to give them the concept. It will take little time.
Which one? किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
ये जो सम्स की आप बात कर रहे हैं, मैं
सम्स की बात ही नहीं हो रही, हमारी तो बात ही कुछ हो. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पेरेंट्स हैव अ प्रॉब्लम कि मेरा बच्चा कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाता, मेरा बच्चा फोकस नहीं कर पाता, मेरा बच्चा अटेंशन नहीं देता. और टीचर को यही शिकायत पेरेंट्स से होता है कि आपका बच्चा क्लास में अटेंशन नहीं करता.
But we cannot help it.
नहीं, what do you suggest for that? That is what I am asking. As a mother, आपकी भी complaints रही होंगी ये.
लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सर इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता बच्चे को, तब बच्चा ध्यान नहीं देता. सबसे बड़ी बात है तो ये टीचर जब लेक्चर को इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं बना पाता, दैट्स व्हाई बच्चा जो है उसको मतलब इंटरेस्ट नहीं देता.
मेरा तो सिंपल सा एक ही क्वेश्चन है, किसी ने कभी कोई कंसेप्ट बताया था कंसंट्रेट करने का या फोकस करने का या अटेंशन देने का, चाहे वो पेरेंट हो चाहे टीचर हो?
कोई नहीं बताते सर.
That is the point. That is the point where things lie. हम लोग सिर्फ वर्बल बात करते हैं. We have not given any concept. बच्चे को क्या मालूम उस एज में, उसे क्या मालूम how to focus, how to pay attention. And the same thing you are saying correct, Nisha. The same child जिसकी हम कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं, वही चाइल्ड उसको 40 मूवीज फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम याद हैं. द सेम चाइल्ड उसे 60 सॉन्ग्स वर्ड टू वर्ड याद हैं, but he is lacking concentration in the education. Why? Because lack of interest.
We have to make our lectures interesting.
That is what is the major point.
Make it more practical instead of giving lecture.
Practical. Correct?
Right.
Okay. Chalo, let's move further on this only first. So any doubt in numbers from 11 to 99? Two-digit numbers?
What's up? Now you said 99 into 11. Now you're saying 11 to 99. It's the same, I think so.
आप सुन ही नहीं रहे मैम. मैं बोल रहा हूँ 11 कोई भी 2-digit नंबर वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया था. ये पूछ रहा हूँ कोई भी 2-digit नंबर में कोई डाउट रह गया?
No, sir.
No.
आप मेरी बात समझे कौशल मैम?
हाँ sir, no doubt in this.
That question was only 99 into 11. Now I am asking any doubt in the questions from 11 to 99. So I think this is different. किसी को कई बार ये हो सकता है कि नहीं 88 नहीं कराया सर.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
No, I mean, I tried. It is the same. I was just trying to say, how do we put it? Now we're talking about 99 into 11. Suppose if it becomes 11 into 99, we are talking about in Vedic Maths, right and left, left to right, everything is the same. Correct.
What is the question? Hi, I am listening.
Yeah, suppose if I'm doing 11 into 99, so how do I do the calculation? It's the same.
What is 2 into 3?
Yeah, 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is 6.
What is, see, please understand now, right now, understand one thing. Multiplication means two different numbers to be multiplied. It can be M1, M2, or it can be M2, M1. Correct?
Oh, anyway, we're multiplying into 11, so the same concept applies there. Okay, done.
Now we are talking right now only on the first concept, that is multiplication with 11. But yes, particularly if you talk about this, there are so many different concepts for this. The same problem can be solved by 5 different methods. This particular problem. I have those concepts, I'll tell you. Now coming to 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. Into 11. Right now I'm talking about 11 only because we started with the topic multiplication with 11. So first, as it is, then what is 1 plus 2? 3. 2 plus 3? 5. And 3. Even a 3-digit number called.
Okay.
Can you please repeat, sir? Sorry.
You were not paying attention that time.
Yeah, for 3-digit, I didn't pay attention, sir.
1, 4, 5. So first digit as it is. Now what is? See, everything you'll be getting video, ma'am. So please.
It's okay, sir. I would like to do so that it will be in my mind more well.
But first question you have to listen. What is 1 plus 4 is?
5.
5.
And 4 plus 5?
9.
9.
And 5 as it is.
And 5. Oh.
Same thing. Correct?
Yeah.
So what is 2, 3, 4 into 11? Give me the answer. 2, 3, 4 into 11.
2, 5,
2, 5, 7, 4.
2, 5, 7, 4.
5, 7, 4.
How easy it becomes. Correct, please? Yes, Ratna Subha.
yes, sir. 2, 5,
2, 5, 7, 4.
Perfect. Any doubt you have?
No.
Very good. 4, 5, 4. What is the answer?
4994.
4994.
So easy. Yes, Akhila ma'am. Is it clear now?
4994.
Add fast. 4994.
Yes.
6, 1, 8. What is the answer?
6, 7,
7, 9, 8.
7, 9, 8.
6, 7, 9, 8.
6, 7, 9, 8.
8.
Okay. Now 7.
Hey, abhi kaam hai wahan. Shoo.
7,
7,
3, 3.
9,
Pardon?
9,
86263.
7963.
What's the question?
8063.
कैसे 7 हो जाएगा?
Sir,
8063.
8063.
So
Yes.
8063.
8063.
8, 0, 6, 3. Now is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rachna, Nisha.
Yes, sir.
See, always remember whenever there is a carryover, again you have to see like this. Let's say 7, 8, 6. Right hand side. 7 means 7, but I observed that there is a carryover coming. So 8. 7 plus 8 was 15. But again, a carryover is coming. So 6, 4, 6. But yes, if you find some problem, because today is the first day and first few minutes, so you can do like this also. You can write in 2 steps. Something good. Are you able to see the white screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can.
So you can write in 2 steps also, 7, 15, 14, and 6. Right, and then balance it, because balancing is the best way if you find a bit difficulty also. Clear? Yes, anyone has a doubt now?
sir, I made a mistake here.
तभी तो आपको दे दिया ना. सुमित 8063 नहीं है. Please check.
No, 786 into 11.
One more. 8, 4, 9. So 8 means I'll have a carryover to 9. 3 means 4. 3, 9.
Sir, show the previous screen.
प्रीवियस में दोबारा लिख देता हूँ, शायद वो डिलीट ना हो गया, डिलीट ही हो गया. क्या क्वेश्चन था बोलो? I'll do it.
786 into 11, sir.
So 7, 8, 6. So you can write 7, 15, 14, 6. So that means 8, 6, 4, 6. But try to do mentally. Don't use the 2 steps. थोड़ा सा गलती होगा, कोई बात नहीं. Second time you'll improve. But the more you'll put efforts on your brain, you'll be faster.
786 भयो नि लगाएर 6 यो भयो अनि यसको क्यारिओभर हुन्छ त्यो भएर 9
Sumit, are you able to do Vishal? Shoaib? Shoaib, you are a math teacher, yeah?
Yeah.
I hope you'll be able to do easily.
Yes. Sir, 849 is wrong. 849.
यो 10 यता गयो 4 बजे अनि फेरि
Anyone
Sir.
doubt? Okay, one more question. So,
Sir,
7,
I'm
9,
sorry, I still not followed this.
which one?
This 786, I mean, I'm still stuck there in 786 into
8, 6. Don't,
7, 15, 14, 6, correct?
okay. So, can we have to, okay, first see. Now, that is what I say. See, you don't see the screen that time, then it's a problem.
No, I saw, I've been seeing this screen. No, you
Okay.
write from this side.
You use, because you are following this way. So, otherwise, see.
Sir, it's very we have to take 7 plus 1, again 5 plus 1. So one carryover should be added to the previous number.
Correct. So we observe, see, mentally, if I do, I'm going to write 7, but no, I'm receiving a carryover, so I put 8 directly. Correct. Similarly, I know 7 plus 8 is giving me 5 as a number, but again, there is a carryover coming. So I put 6. And 8 plus 6 is 4 and 6. Similarly, if you want here, this way. आपको एक एक डिजिट ही रखना है ना अखिला मैम?
हाँ सर, हम अभी भी ना वो राइट और लेफ्ट की जकड़ में हैं बस।
नहीं आप क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ रही है, आपके कारण मुझे वो बताना पड़ रहा है। मैं तो यहाँ से इसे पेपर पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, आप इसको मेंटली करने की कोशिश करो।
अभी तो इतना प्रैक्टिस तो नहीं किया हमने।
नहीं टेंशन मत लो। और फर्स्ट थिंग, ये नेगेटिविटी खुद से निकालो, कर लोगे। थिंक आई कैन डू इट। इट इज, अगर आप ये सोचेंगे ना मैं आई विल बी एबल टू डू, यू कैन डू इट मैन। Done now? Okay. Because we have so many topics to go. What is the largest 3-digit number then?
999.
So what is 999 into 11 then? One zero nine eight nine. Finish.
So we had 989 there.
89.
So 10, 9, 8, 9. Correct? Any question in 3-digit numbers? Yes. Any question now? Good, Vishal. Vikram, are you getting?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, if we multiply any number by 13, the same formula will be applied.
What was the topic?
In multiplying, sir.
What was the topic we started?
If we multiply
सर मेरी भी बात तो सुन लीजिए, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में मैं आप
785 by 13.
नारा जी, दूसरे की बात भी सुनना सीखिए।
Sorry, sir.
मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, टॉपिक क्या था? You have to start somewhere at least.
Oh, yeah.
So today first we started with 11. अभी 11 clear हो जाए, 11 clear हो जाए, 13 भी हो जाएगा. Every number would be done. मैथ्स एक ही दिन में तो नहीं कर लिया आपने, एमएससी करते करते 12-15 साल लग गए.
Okay, sorry, sir.
13 is more easy. I'll tell you. Why 11? I have to prove certain things to you. उसके बाद we'll talk on that also. Don't worry. अभी कल का भी लेक्चर है.
Okay, sir.
Please. I'll tell you. Don't worry. What is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11 now?
1, 3, 5, 7.
5, 7, 4.
तो बोलो अब
1, 3, 5, 7, 4.
1, 3, 5, 7, 4.
Who is faster, calculator or you?
Me.
See, I'll tell you one thing. When there is no carryover, at that time you are able to do.
Yeah.
At least half of the job is done. You are able to understand how things are doing.
But carryover also easy, sir, when we understand it. Otherwise,
yes,
it's difficult.
Now, ma'am, see, it depends on the person. I cannot counter on that.
Yeah,
right? Because everyone takes their own time. No issues. See, whenever you start, that is the start of the journey. Correct. So, the only thing is you need to understand with the brain only that. Okay. I'll not take more time on this topic. I'm just saying now what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5.
7, 9, 5.
Yes, 9 should be added. 9, in between 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 4. 9, 5.
If I would have given this question earlier, क्या ये आप solve कर सकते थे?
नहीं.
आप ये आज challenge है, ये question, same question you give it to all maths professors, teachers, maths. I'm talking about only maths. They'll not solve it. I'll ask
They
3
multiply
questions.
twice time. They multiply first line with 155. They leave one number. Again they do. Again they add up. It'll take a little time for them.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now the point was why we did this. Very first thing, any doubts, any questions on this topic?
No, sir.
Now, and see the beauty of this number. You give 40 numbers, 50 numbers, 100 numbers and multiply with 11. It is very easy. Got it? Because you just are adding something. So what was the topic? Yes, Vishal, what was the topic? Multiplication with?
11.
Its multiples.
Multiplication with 11. Now my question is, where did I multiply?
No.
तो मैंने झूठ बोला, टॉपिक गलत था ना? So where did we multiply? Yes, Neha, Inesh, Narad, Sumit, where did we multiply? Yes, Shoaib, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
Simply added the place value. That's it.
Please, नहीं, थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रहा, दोबारा बोलेंगे?
हम लोग सिर्फ ऐड किए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही नहीं किए.
ऐड किए. क्या बच्चे को आप सिर्फ ये कह देंगे कि अगर 11 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन आए तो ऐड कर दो, काम हो गया?
No, sir.
No.
फिर समझाएंगे कैसे? क्या ऐड किया आपने? Yes, विक्रम, रचना, सुबह.
Start reading from the right to left. Left to right.
क्या क्या ऐड करना है उसमें?
Digits.
कौन से डिजिट्स?
The given digits.
नहीं, देखो, सबसे पहले जब टॉपिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का स्टार्ट होता है, पहला टॉपिक आता है 2 into 3 is equal to 6. किसी भी बच्चे को ये समझ नहीं आता व्हाट इज दिस क्रॉस. याद कीजिए अपना वक्त, किसी को नहीं आता है.
Multiplication is we are adding only two. We are adding 2 3 times, or we are adding 3 2 times.
Repeated addition is multiplication.
Repeated addition.
That is, I am coming to that only.
Okay.
जब ये समझ नहीं आता, then a teacher they explain कि 2 3 times is 6. So, or adding 3 2 times is 6. And then your definition comes, multiplication is repetitive addition. Correct? This is what you said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So my question, first question was 12 into 11. So did I add it 12, 11 times?
No.
Did I add it 11, 12 times?
No.
No.
Then what I did, this was my simple question. If I didn't do multiplication, what did I do?
We did addition.
What addition? That's what I'm asking. Specify. Be specific. Because we have to teach further. We want the kids to understand.
Sir, one second.
Repeated addition.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't listen this because I got a call.
Nothing. Somebody, you told addition. So I was saying the first topic was 2 into 3 is equal to 6. At that time, nobody understand what is this cross. So teacher teaches 2 added 3 times is 6, or 3 added 2 times is 6.
Yeah.
So a definition is generated. Multiplication is repetitive addition. So my first question was 12 into 11. Did I add it 12, 11 times? Or did I add it 11, 12 times? So Kausar ma'am, you said addition. So what addition? Be more specific.
No, you said keeping as it is the first number, the rest all the numbers should be added.
मेरे को छोड़ दीजिए, आपने समझाना है तो कैसे समझाएंगे?
वही तो, we have to learn it from you. No.
No, let's.
Good.
We have to learn it from you and then I implement.
Correct. Okay. So we were basically doing corresponding additions. क्या मैंने 1 और 5 को ऐड किया?
नहीं.
क्या मैंने 2 और 5 को ऐड किया? Did I add 2 and 4? What I added, I just added corresponding digits. So be more specific. That was what my point was. We added only neighboring digits, or you can say corresponding digits. Now it's clear. So
Yes.
answer addition is wrong because what to add? It is like chale jao.
No,
Yes.
no, we didn't tell that adding all the numbers. We said keep the first number as it is and the last number as it is. Then the middle numbers.
No, that is
But
called
your
as
method of
corresponding
explanation
digits.
is totally
It
different.
has a terminology.
Yes.
But first digit,
Adding corresponding digits.
first
No
digit
problem.
changes, ma'am. Last digit remains same. First changes. No issues.
First कहाँ है, last कहाँ है, कौन सा है?
Okay. Second point. Chalo, this was first observation in this particular method. Anything new you observed in this?
It's very simple.
ये
No, we
observation नहीं है.
observed that when
This
there
is
is a
a con-
carryover coming, we are
So, sir, ma'am,
prepared.
just this is a conclusion, not observation. I'm asking observation, not conclusion.
Acha,
Observation is when there is a carryover coming in, you're prepared what to do.
No, correct.
Anything else? Yes, Ms. Chetri.
Prashant दिखाया?
Till
No, sir, no point.
नहीं point question नहीं है, answer दे दीजिए. What did you observe in this? इसमें क्या और सीखा जो ये टेक्निक अपनाई? What did we learn? Yes, Yogesh, Vishal, Nisha, Yam, Narad, Sumit, Shoaib, Inish, Ramchandra.
So the direction of reading and calculating is same.
Sorry, come again.
Whatever we are reading and calculating is same. The direction is same. So it is much faster.
Did you understand what he's saying? See, for the first time in your life, you were doing multiplication from left to right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, you gave the answer 135,795. That was from left to right. Please try to do the same question the reverse way, the way you were doing earlier. क्या mentally वो हो पाएगा? Mentally.
नहीं.
So, somebody. Yes. Rachna Subha. See, the same question is same. But when you are moving from left to right, mentally you are faster. And same question, when you are moving right to left, it becomes slow. Why? साइकिल किसने किसने चलाई है?
हमने चलाई.
आगे से हवा, अगर हवा आगे से चल रही हो तो क्या होता है?
You have to put more strength. You use more strength to go through the wind.
Simple language में speed slow हो जाती है.
हाँ.
So that is what is happening your mental speed. When you are moving from this side, right to left, mentally, see, paper पे आप कर लोगे. I have no doubt about it. But mentally, it will be slow because your way of reading is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your way of calculating, if it becomes 5, 9, 7, 5, that becomes slow. And if you are calculating also from left to right, it will be faster because हवा पीछे से push करती है ना, जब हवा पीछे से हो तो speed अपने आप बढ़ जाती है. That is yes, sir, ma'am, बोलिए.
सर ये अभी आप बता रहे थे कि करस्पॉन्डिंग डिजिट नंबर बच्चों को जब बताएंगे हम लोग तो 1 से 10 सम्स कराएंगे तभी तो अंडरस्टैंड होगा शायद. आई थिंक सो.
आप मैम, मैं आपको अभी चैलेंज देता हूँ, इसी क्लास में फर्स्ट क्लास का बच्चा ले आओ, वो आपसे पहले जल्दी कर लेगा.
अच्छा, बिकॉज उनका तो यंग.
नहीं, फिर आप बात समझ आ गई. पहली चीज, आप लोगों के अंदर डर है कि मैं सीख पाऊंगा या नहीं, मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं, उनमें ये डर नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
गॉट इट. सेकंड थिंग, हमें नेशनल एंथम क्यों याद है? क्योंकि हमने तब किया था, या हमें कुछ भी चीज तब की याद है। अर्ली चाइल्डहुड ईयर्स कौन से होते हैं? तब जो किया था वो आज तक याद है, बट जो पिछले साल किया था वो भूल गए। याद
सही।
So, and you earlier said regarding some preschools. I run those also. So I have experience with kids. They are fast learners. I'll give you a small, बहुत time नहीं है आज। 2 साल का बच्चा 6 months से डे केयर में आ रहा था रामामूर्ति नगर में, बैंगलोर की बात बता रहा हूँ। By the age he turned 2 years, he was knowing 6 languages. क्योंकि मॉर्निंग की आया दूसरी थी, बीच के 3 टीचर्स डिफरेंट थे, शाम की सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ अलग था। सो ही न्यू तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा, हिंदी, इंग्लिश। यू नो बैंगलोर इज अ कॉस्मो सिटी, सो हर स्टाफ अलग अलग होता है। सो दिस इज, स्टूडेंट्स लर्न मच फास्टर। एनीहाउ, any other doubt in this topic? Anyone has a doubt? Because we are going for a test now.
I have a doubt.
Yes, please, पूछिए।
So as you earlier said कि ये जो पूरा
थोड़ा
concept है उसका
शोएब आप स्पीकर फोन से कनेक्टेड है, मुझे कुछ भी आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है, प्लीज डायरेक्टली बात करें।
इधर भी था ना, बोले यार।
यस शोएब बोलिए।
हेलो हाय।
लक्ष्मी मैम। यस शोएब प्लीज आस्क। We'll have a test now, so anyone has any question you can ask now. बाद में पूछ लेंगे। So first question is 141 into 22. Please give me the answer fast. How will we do it?
Hello. Hello sir.
Yes शोएब बोलिए। शोएब आपका बिल्कुल आवाज डाउन है भाई, बिल्कुल डाउन है। You write down, I'll read it otherwise.
Okay.
So 1551.
3102.
No.
3102.
Correct. Shruti knows it.
You can do 22 as 11 into 2 and then.
Correct. So, if this question was asked before the lecture, then you would have done this way. Correct, Akhila?
हाँ सर, but now
अब क्या लगा? अभी क्या लगा इसमें?
क्या?
अभी कुछ लगा डिफरेंट?
No, I know, but now how did we do 141 into 22?
आपको क्या नहीं, आपने कैसे किया? अभी भी
मैं कुछ नहीं किया।
सोचा क्या इसको देख के कुछ समझ आया?
No, I only could see that 22 is 11 plus 11 or 11 into 2.
Why you saw this now?
Because we were started with 11, so I know multiple of 11 is 20.
Now you understood. Visualization. 22 is nothing but 2 into 11. Now we can visualize that because we understood that 11 is very easy and we are discussing on the topic. So that is where difference comes. Okay. So what happens? 282 into 11. 102. But there could be some people who will say, no, sir, it is 141 into 11 into 2. So 1551 into 2. So that is again 3102. See, the question which could not be solved mentally earlier, because 3 steps you cannot do mentally. Now it can be done mentally because if you just observe that this is nothing but, a multiple of 11. So multiple of 11, you know how to do multiplications with 11. That you know now mentally. How many of you could sense this? किस किस को ये थोड़ा सा भी समझ आ गया था?
नहीं, 41 into 22, we took it as 141 into 2 into 11. Why did 141 come?
What was the question, Akhila?
No, I'm trying to come 41 into 22.
Where is 41?
Sir, what is written here? 41 into 22, right?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, check the board.
वो मेरे से delete हो गया बाद में. It was 141 in
My
multi.
God, I was wondering where did one
नहीं,
come
sorry.
from? Yes, great, correct.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Bhushal.
Minus 2 minus क्या आएगा plus 56 plus 7 कितना आएगा 56 plus 73 that is 129 ठीक है
शिल्पा
14 minus 8
Yes, Vishal. Yes, Shilpa.
Sir, everything is okay, sir. I got it.
Now, my question was very simple. How many of you could guess this? See what happens now. Okay, as per you, both the answers are correct. But which is more better? Which is more appropriate?
Second method.
Why?
Because we'll apply that multiplication 11
sutra.
that will be double that numbers.
Yes, Akhila, as per you?
We're applying the 11 sutra, so probably I'm doing it that way. 11 into 2.
So why not 2 into 11?
Yeah,
So first one.
Would it make a difference?
Yes. Yes, Shilpa.
First one, sir.
Okay, why so?
Because this 141 times 2 is easy.
Okay. Yes, Kausar. First or second?
Second easy लग
second
रहा
one, sir.
है. Second one is looking easy.
Looking easy. क्या उसमें खास easiness है?
Because multiplying the corresponding digits is easy, then 2 we can always do a mental math faster than into 11.
Yes, Rinku. Can you answer? Lakshmi, can you answer? See, now here you all, only one person was correct. Why this is more appropriate? Why not this? What is looking in the numbers? Nothing. Please understand one thing. It's not every time you'll get 22. Let's say it is 77. Let's say it is 88. Let's say it is 99. So 141 into 7 would be easy, or 1 into 7 would be easy.
The second method. 141 into 11 into 2, that method.
First is easy, sir. You are again confused. अगर लो मैं कलर बिल्कुल चेंज कर देता हूँ.
Okay.
You didn't understand that. I'm saying if it is not 22, it is 77. So that time here it will be 141 into 7.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And here it would be 1551 into 7. अब बताओ इस दोनों में से क्या सिंपल है?
141 into 7.
See, please understand one thing. 11 is only magical number. Other numbers are not magical. 11 के साथ आप 50 digit number बना लो. You can easily calculate. 100 digit number बना लो. You can easily calculate. So please keep 11 at the last.
Yes.
जितना बड़ा मर्जी number बन जाए. Keep 11 at the last. So when we are talking about multiples like 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. At that time, first multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and keep 11 at the last.
Yeah.
Now the concept is clear. Yes, Kausar ma'am, is it clear? Akhila, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कुछ देखने का नहीं है इसमें कि नंबर अच्छा लग रहा है वाला फंडा नहीं है. have a practical approach that 11 is only number with which you can multiply any big digit. मैं भी 500 digit का number भी आपको दूंगा, you can do it.
Yes, sir.
But not with 2, not with 8, not with 7, not with 3.
Yeah.
This is the reason. Chalo. Next question. Mr. Bhushal, you are not answering. What happened? 500. The next question is 576 into 121. Now what is the answer?
Eleven times 11.
Okay. So what is the answer? Verbal. If it is 11 times 11, then we don't need to do calculation. Yes, Nabin?
Sir, it's 69696.
69696. Yes, Akhila, could you get it?
68596.
No problem. Itna bhi kal gaya.
57596.
No. So 576 into 11 into 11. So that means 6336 into 11. That is 69696. Finish.
Yes, 696.
3, one carry over.
69696. I did it in the old tradition method.
This was the question which फिर वही यही question मैंने पहले पूछा था starting में. At that time everybody was answering in the other way. Now see, if now you are able to analyze or visualize कि yes, this is nothing but 11. देखिए, this is the
So 11 11s are 21. 121. Acha, good.
This is the only difference. हमें मैथ्स करते कैसे थे, दिमाग से सोचते नहीं थे, लिखना शुरू कर देते थे. Please don't take it in personal. But yes, this was a hardcore fact. We started solving without using our brains. But यहाँ पर क्योंकि numbers के साथ ऐसे tricks जुड़ी होंगी कि आपको वो fast करने के लिए प्रेरित करेंगी, and you will try to use that magic. A 3-digit number which was not possible, you can do mentally. With the help of 11 concept, you can do it mentally. So that is what will help you in Vedic maths. Is it clear now? So that thing is proved. You can do calculations left to right also. हमारे अंदर ये भरा हुआ था कि नहीं, हम तो right से left ही कर सकते हैं. You can do both the way. Yes, Mr. Ramchandra. Anything? Sir, you have to say something.
Sir, I'm still finding the right to left easy to calculate. Is it okay?
Because you are using paper. You are writing on paper.
Because the carryover, I'm still confused. I need paper.
See that no issues, ma'am. You took how many years to learn mathematics? And
oh
now
my God, all my life.
Because you have that in your brain, ki I cannot do maths. See, the simple way for this is every day say in the morning, yes, I can do, and you will be able to do. See, I'll give you one thing. Why? See, fear. What does fear means?
Phobia.
No.
Absence of
fear means face everything and rise above.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. Forget everything. And run away. हम मैथ से क्या करते रहे हैं आज तक? अब आपको देखना है कि आपने फियर को कैसे यूज करना है. If you'll face any problem, ये लाइफ में भी होता है आपके साथ. डरते हम रहते हैं, पर जब फेस कर ले तो वो भी निकल जाती है मुसीबत. That is maths. We have always taken maths as a fear factor, as a havoc, as a stress, and that has been induced in our minds. तो निकलने में किसी के टाइम भी लग सकता है, but If you're free for that, just practice 20 questions today. Tomorrow you'll say, yes, I can do.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. So this was the topic. We started with 11 multiplication, left hand side digit, right hand side digit, and in between we would get the right. So for testing 141 into 22, it was 564 or 576, whatever. So you'll be getting notes today. I'll be sharing. Please save my number because I will not be sending individual messages. I'll send only in broadcast that you will receive only if you have saved my number in your address book, means in your mobiles. So we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. And second thing, we were calculating from left to right, rather right to left. So this was the first advantage of Vedic mathematics. Coming to the second, it reduces burden. Now, when we talk about burden, what is that burden?
Sir, once again.
Yes.
You said adding corresponding digits, right? Then next adding?
Left to right.
The left to right. That's all.
You
the
can
concept
do
of multiplication.
You can do right to left also.
अच्छा.
उसमें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
नहीं.
See, I'll tell you one thing. I'll try from left to right, but definitely you can go from right to left also. But this thing is clear today, na? Okay, we can do at least left to right, which was a point in our minds कि no, it cannot be done because we never tried over this. हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. चलिए. So second is the burden of table. So मेरा question दोबारा वही. How much time you need to write table of 89? Yes, Kausar ma'am.
How much time?
जल्दी जल्दी बताइए. टाइम भी कम रह गया.
अभी भी 10 मिनट ही है सर.
नहीं 10 मिनट नहीं मैम. वर्कशॉप तो 4 घंटे चलती है.
4 बजे.
अभी तो कम से कम 2 घंटे लगने हैं.
Then we should start morning at 9 o'clock. Lunch time में तो सोने का.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं. You'll get recordings. Don't worry. Okay, जल्दी करते हैं. Yes, tell me. See, I cannot wash my hands, so I have to make sure that you are getting it. So if it takes some more time, I don't mind in that. Yes, जल्दी बताइए. 89. Yes, Chhatri. Yogesh, Shilpa, Isha, Yam, Vishal, Shoaib, Sumit. How much time we need? Chalo. You don't want. Okay, I'll tell you easily. I'll give you easy methods. Don't worry. What is this? ये भी नहीं मालूम.
Which was sir?
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा.
नहीं. No screen.
अभी भी हम fear के स्क्रीन में हैं.
Just hold on. Look. This one now.
Yes sir.
Oh.
टिक-टैक-टो.
100.
अगर ये बच्चों को दिखाई होती, मैंने 85 स्टूडेंट्स थे एक बार, तो they started shouting. टिक-टैक-टो. आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आई किसी. खेलना है?
हाँ खेलना है.
चलो खेलते हैं. So today we'll be doing tables in an easy manner, and for that we have two concepts. First thing is tables ending with tables of numbers ending with 9. So which are the numbers ending with 9? 9, 19, 29,
29, 39,
119, and 9, 1, 9, 9, 8, 9, anything. Kitna bhi bada digit ho jaye. Correct? So first concept would be this. Second is any general table which has 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit or 5 digits. So we'll today solve entire tables. The concept of tables, which was a burden till now. Somebody said ki 12 tak. Yes. So my question generally is, what happens in 13? Is it an unlucky number? Do you know what happens actually? एक कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं आ पाता हमारे अंदर. I will not name the university, but I gave a lecture to MSc mathematics students of one university. I asked the same question about tables, and they knew up till 12 only. And you know what happens after that? You're not able to do something. So that confidence is required. So why, जब एक बच्चा पेपर देने जाता है, why do we say first attempt those questions which you know by heart, or which you are at the best? Why? Yes, Akhila.
It gives you confidence.
और जो नहीं आता उससे क्या होगा? Yes,
confidence. In the beginning, in the first hour only, if I lose my confidence, that would carry on for the next 2.5 hours.
Got my point. That is what is happening with all of us. True. That confidence we lost in mathematics class in class 3rd, till now we are struggling to find.
Yes, sir.
That confidence. Tables तब भी नहीं हुए थे, आज भी नहीं आते, क्योंकि we don't want to listen that question. If anybody starts talking about mathematics, we run away. We try to escape.
Correct.
Is math a horror? Is math so much? See, I'll give you a stat. There are 40 students in one class. 30 students are going for after-school tuition to the same teacher or some other teacher. And unfortunately, 10 are failing again. So that means 25% of students are failing every time in mathematics. So what do you think? Is math such a tough subject that we should remove it from the curriculum? Or the math teacher is not teaching?
Maths teacher should learn the concept very well, then she should join for the...
So my answer is very simple. Neither maths is tough, nor the teacher is also teaching. But the point is, we are not making them understand maths. We are trying to make them
memorize maths.
Listen, 2 into 8 is 16. Listen, what do you mean by that? Have we tried to give some alternative way? No. Second thing, the same thing with the teacher, because they are not allowed. They have an excuse. Yes, sir, so much of burden, so much of syllabus. It's okay. But what at the time of tuitions? Anyhow, I'm not here to talk about that. But we need to think over it. If 25% of students are failing in maths, is there any solution? Because what we are doing today is we are creating that fear. Like you said, yes, if first question goes wrong, you know what happens? In this mistake, some students are deprived of maths. They take in 11th and 12th, they take arts. And only some good family people, they go for medical. Now what happens? Can an art student not go for MBA? कल को वो पढ़ लिख लेता है तो वो MBA नहीं जा सकता? No. Why? Because same fear continues. He is not able to go and crack an MBA entrance exam. Again, mathematics. You talk about any entrance exam, you talk about any scholarship exam, you talk about any competition exam. Every exam has mathematics. So we have to come away from this fear of maths. Yes, Kausa? So, right.
So thank you so much. I feel very blessed, very honored to be part of this, actually.
Thank you.
That is what I can feel right now.
So, no issues. Now, let's be some of them have class. So first step is do this. Second, write down from the corner, the rightmost corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you draw this? Moving from left, then middle, then up. Please draw in your notebooks fast. Once you're done, let me know.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, everyone. Now, here now we set tables of, let's say we can do table of 19, 39, 89, 99, or 109, let's say. Now, what is the concept? The concept is you don't have to touch this 9. The previous number, here we'll apply the first formula or first sutra of Vedic maths. What does that say? The sutra is called as Ikadikena Purvena.
Ikadikena Purvena.
इसको ब्रेक कर लो. एक अधिकेना पूर्वेना. So it means एक अधिक means the translation says one more than the previous. ये हो गया translation. Maths meaning हुआ add 1 to the previous number. Correct? So this is the first sutra. How simple it is. Just adding 1. So this we apply to the numbers before 9. If I apply 1 to 1, so what does this, what we get new number? 2. Here I get 4. Here I get 9. Here I get 11. So we apply Ikadikena Purvena on the numbers other than 9 in this. This is the first sutra of Vedic mathematics. And now how to use it? First thing, let's say we are writing a table of 19. I'll complete 19. Up till here it's done. Now, Ikadikena of 1 is 2. So we'll just add 2 everywhere. 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
3. 3 plus 2?
4.
Very
3
good.
plus 2, 5. 5. Sorry.
Now I'll come down the reverse way. 5 plus 2?
7.
7 plus 2?
9.
9 plus 2?
11.
11 plus 2?
13.
13 plus 2?
15.
15 plus 2?
17.
17 plus 2?
19.
So we started from 19, we ended with 19. That means I am correct. Just add 0 after this. What is this? A table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 4s are 76, 5, 95, 6, 114, 133, 152, 171, and 190. We are writing a table of 19. What by what? Just adding 2. Clear? Yes, Rachna Sube.
Yeah.
Yam Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Shalikram. Khetri, Narad, Nabin, Vishal, Shoaib.
Clear, sir.
Okay. I'll give you 2 more and then I'll ask you to write. Yes, Akhila?
No, I'm still.
Listen, ma'am, one thing from me today. When I am teaching something, your head is always down. Right from the beginning, I am telling you this. See, every recording you will be getting. So you'll get time to understand if something is missing. But if you'll not understand, then things will not work out. It was the, I'll show one more. Then first is this. Correct? Any doubt up till here? Now, let's say we have to write a table of 39. So what is Ikadikena of 3? That is 4. Because 3 plus 1 gives 4. I'll just add 4 everywhere. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. I'll go reverse way. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. See, I started with 39. I ended with 39. Just add 0. Finish. So this is a table of 39. 39 ones are 39. 39 2s are 78. 3s are 119, 117. 4 156. 5 195. 6 234. 7 273. 8 312. 351 and 390. Now did you understand? Yes, yes, Hathia, tell me. Now is it clear or not?
So I haven't.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, Yogesh.
In 39 table, we should 4 add, ne? Yes.
Yes, we should add 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4. So see, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Got it?
Yes,
Why are we adding 4? Why are we adding 4?
Because the successor of 3 is 4.
11 plus?
What we did, what we learned in this page?
Take the previous number.
Take the next number.
Yes.
Add 1.
Successor.
Ikadikina purvena means ek adhik. Right. Now,
yes,
if this is clear, write down table of 29 fast. Let's see how much time you are taking. 29 fast.
3, right.
Now you'll be adding 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Like this, please add.
Done.
Table 29 पर table 1.
कैसा टेबल हम सबकी
Done? So what
Yes,
has to come here?
Done.
Yes, Akhila. Yes, Kausar ma'am.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Shoaib?
29, 58, 87.
Very good.
116, 111, 116, 145, 174, 203, 231, 232, 261.
Very good. Finish.
को
Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Now,
last में 9.
I'll do one more and then. Now, similarly, I started with the question 89 and I asked you how much time you want. And that time everybody was 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Now see, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 62, 71, 80, 89. How much time we took? Only 9 seconds. Yes, is it clear, Nabin? Yes, Kausar ma'am. Akhila.
जोड़ने से आया तुमने तला छोटो 53 में 9 जोड़नी हो 53 में 9 जोड़ देखा तेरा 464 कैसे बजा रहे हो 62
Is it clear or not? Still, if it is some doubt, please ask.
Clear, sir.
9 जोडेर त हो तर सबैमा त हो 9 जोडे पनि त्यही आउँछ त 8 जोडे पनि त्यही हुन्छ त त्यसैमा हुन्छ त तर एक तरिका कसरी भन्ने कुरा बुझ्नु
The first thing, please understand one thing. अगर आप समझ सकते हैं तो ये समझिए, मैथ्स का फियर हर बच्चे को है, and at that time you are treating them as a doctor. So if your methods, if your techniques are not easy, not interesting, they will not come to you. कोई भी बच्चा खुद पढ़ने नहीं आता, मैथ्स particularly. मैथ्स पढ़ने के लिए भी पेरेंट्स फोर्स करते हैं, and the first class itself, there are certain more tricks. This is just a start. Now, it's not only for 2 digits. Again, 3 digits, 119. So 11 means now we'll be adding 12. So 11 plus 12 is 23. 23 plus 12, 35, 47, 59, 71, 83, 95, 115. Sorry, 107, 119. Did you understand now? Yes, anyone has a doubt, please ask me.
के लेख्छ त्यहाँले यहाँ बिगारेन जस्तो
Shoaib, for addition, also there are concepts. Very first thing, I will not call it as a trick, because trick एक number के लिए होती है. This is not tricks. If we did today 11, it was not only for 11, it was for multiples of 11, and we were short of time. Otherwise, there are more concepts with 111, 411, 4 times 1, 5 times 1. You can do unlimited through that only. The only thing is maths, please understand, maths is nothing but patterns. Can we avoid mathematics? No. So we need to understand that, and we need to remove our fear of maths. So there are concepts in addition. You can see the books, and when you will submit this homework in that group itself, you'll find problems related to addition. So many of the teachers, they have submitted their homework. So when you'll also do, you'll find addition points also from there itself. You can say base is addition because I have to deal with everyone. Now, you are a math teacher. Somebody was a housewife. So I cannot use a topic which she's not able to understand and you are able to understand. So sure, when you are taking a first class or a first lesson for any session, you have to take this careful, right? So that was the reason. Okay. Now, coming further. Now, yes, 89 can be done now. Yes,
Yes,
89 can be done or not?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in that?
No.
Chalo.
No,
now,
sir.
If I ask you 87, now what time you need? How much time you need for 87 now? योगेश किससे डिस्कस कर रहे हो?
पापा से
पापा बता तो बोल लीजिए आप. No, it will not be done like that. Now, this concept, this is the second concept, a general concept for all the tables. Okay, up till which number you know the tables? 12? Everybody knows? See, if you're not interested, मैं भी छोड़ सकता हूँ. Let's not do it then.
Yes, sir. 12.
चलो पहले आप फ्री हो लो सारे, then we'll do it. Now, the problem starts from 13. Correct? Now, we have been taught to cram. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. Up till here it is okay. 452, it's okay. But if I change the number, I say 83, so you will be in trouble. Correct? Because we cannot cram bigger numbers. Second, sometimes the teacher is very good, so they teach Shoaib, add the numbers. 13, 13, 26, then 26 and 13, 39, and so on. So you keep on adding. But the problem is, when you are adding, it gives you multiple carryovers. Now that creates a confusion always. Do you know any third method? Yes, Yogesh. इसके अलावा कोई मेथड आता है?
और कुछ मेथड आता है तेरे को?
नबील, कौन सा?
हाँ, एक मेथड है अभी.
बताओ.
जैसे कि 13 हो गया ना, जैसे आगे 1 के टेबल सीधे लेके पीछे 3 के टेबल लेके जो लास्ट के नंबर का छोड़ के जो 3 के टेबल लिखने में जैसे 12, 15 आते हैं ना, जैसे 1 2 हो गए तो 1 आगे वाला नंबर से ऐड करके लिखने वाला है.
Very good. Yes, anyone else? Shoaib? Vishal? I think सब थक चुके हैं, huh?
Yes, sir, the same method.
Yes. So
Yogesh explained. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we need to understand, we'll use the same method of place values. So we all of us know table of 1. 3, 1. Simple as it is. Yes, Akila, you're not there now? Same concept of place values. Now see the first, just rearrange 26, 39. So first 3 answers are as it is. You get the 3 answers as it is. What about the 4th? Can we have 2 digits on the first? No. Only 2 is written and the 1 is forced again to the next. 52. 5 here, 4, 65. 8 here, 78. 1 here, 94 here, 10. So what is easy? Adding 13 every time or adding 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. What becomes easy? If you understand. So this difficult? Is this method of creating tables is difficult? Yes, Chatri. Is this method difficult? Yes, Mr. Bhushal. Is this difficult? Nabin, Kausav, Vishal. If this is not difficult, why we don't have this in our books? We are least bothered. Because we take tough things we need to cram, remember. But we never go for the basics. Place values or balancing lines. Finish.
English में talk to होना जरूरी है इसको. like.
Yes, Nabin. Now the same thing can be applied to any number, any digit number you want. Let's say 87. So 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, and it becomes 87. 4 as it is, 1 goes further, so 174. 1 is it? So it's so easy to add the single numbers. Yes, is it difficult?
Same.
Yes, Naveen? Kausar? मुश्किल है? Priyanka? Vishal? So when it is easy, why don't we adapt? Yum. I have observed that students in Nepal, because recently also I was there in FIDIM. 2-3 तारीख 2 अक्टूबर 3 अक्टूबर को FIDIM में सेशंस थे. सेम प्रॉब्लम, टेबल्स नहीं आते, कैलकुलेशन से डरते हैं बच्चे. क्यों? We need to make mathematics more simple, more interesting. जरूरी नहीं टफ चीजें से ही बच्चा सीखेगा. Why not to make it so simple that they they need not to cram anything. Yeah. Now you can think about any big number and you can easily write that answer within seconds, within no time. For example, ये लीजिए 87 हो गया. Similarly, you talk about any 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. Let's say we have to write a table of 123. So what happens? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 6, 9, 12. So first 3 answers as it is. 123, 246, 369. See, without adding, without multiplication, you're getting 3 answers. Here, 2 as it is. 1 goes here, so 9. 4 as it is. Here, 5, 10, 15. So 5, 10, and 1 is 11. So 1 only here, 1 further. 18. So 8 here, 2 and 1 is 3. 1 goes further, 7. Is it clear now? Yes, anyone has any question? I know some of you have classes right now, but if you'll answer, then we'll move to the next point. Yes? So should we move ahead then, if it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Chalo.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Very good. So now, this was where we ended our game. So we can do any table, any single digit, double digit, triple digit, you can do with ease. The first, so all the notes would be available. You can download it from the group. I'll share you all the details. Third thing is, it reduces scratch. See, first benefit was speed increases. Second benefit was no burden of remembering tables. Tables can be done very easily. And the third advantage is scratch work as well as finger counting. Why scratch work and finger counting? If you remember, we always give a rough sheet for mathematics. But here, since calculations are done mentally, so you need not to do more rough work, scratch work. And why I'm talking about finger counting, Vishal, very important, because you are into abacus. So you need to understand, people don't like these gestures. So what is the difference between, now tomorrow you will become a trainer, cost 10 minutes more. So whatever will take 10 minutes more, whatever is pending will take tomorrow, not an issue. Now, why abacus I am talking about? Because tomorrow when you'll start teaching this Vedic maths, parents will come to you and ask the very first question, why not abacus? Why Vedic maths? Why? Because, see, first thing you need to agree on that, abacus is also very useful for the students. But now when we are comparing, abacus is used to carry out major operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, Vishal? Anything else scares? But the scope of Vedic maths is much more than this. As I told you earlier also, with the 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, you can solve entire arithmetics, entire algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So the scope is vast. Second thing is, abacus makes use of a tool which is made up of beads. But in Vedic maths, it is more of mental. Now I am today teaching you, it was mental thing so you could learn. If I was holding a tool, won't it be a difficult thing? Third thing, you cannot carry tool in your classrooms or exam hall, but brain you are always carrying along with you. I'm sorry, it was not slow, but I have to look to everyone and you are not responding even for a single answer. I'm sorry for that. If you're writing, it's a slow class. I have to understand that everybody is getting each and every question. It's not a formality I have to do. I have to teach. So Vedic maths gives you more in less time. 3 months, you learn entire things, which in abacus was difficult. Right. So this is generally a question which parents will ask you. What is the difference? Right. Fourth reason, it increases concentration. So why will be concentration increasing? Because your right brain, left brain, both have started working. Both are activated. Second thing, you are working visual ability, reasoning, logics. So when all these things add up, you create an interest. We have not discussed one topic because time constraints are there. Some people thought that it could be only 2 hours. So with whom I talk, I always say it depends on you. If you want a class more, if you have more questions, more would be delivered. See, the confidence is what leads to concentration. You cannot have any medicine or anything for this. Do you find any time student asking for concentration in games or what they have interest in? No, just think over it. So why education? Because they don't find it interesting. And once they start finding it interesting, things will automatically change. Last but not the least, it helps in reducing silly mistakes. So what are silly mistakes? Multiple carryovers. Now you recognize 576 into 121. If I would have multiplied in the normal procedure, it was giving so many multiple carryovers. And that is where we generally tend to make small mistakes, which are called as silly mistakes. So silly mistakes are generally carryovers and borrow in case of subtraction. For your knowledge, I will say, in subtraction, we don't have a borrow. It is very simple line, all from 9, last from 10, and all money transactions of the world, they can be done by this simple line, all from 9 and last from 10. All money transactions. So the money, what is money transaction? Nothing but subtraction. Now today we have a problem. A student is studying in a convent school, but if you give 100 rupees note and ask them to go to market and get a bananas for 13 rupees, they don't know what change they'll be getting. So what is the use of such education? Please think over it. So Vedic maths has very simple things related to maths also, life-changing procedures also, so that they start using their brains. So do you think now any disadvantages? Yes, Yogesh, any disadvantages of Vedic maths? By this time you might have thought over it. Yes, Mr. Chetri. कोई doubt? कोई Chetri? Yes. Mr. Yam. Bhushan. Any doubt? So nothing. See, the only thing is your friends will now, particularly in Nepal, you are using calculators. So those calculators would be waste now. This is one loss of Vedic maths, or one disadvantage you can say of Vedic maths. Your calculators will now be useless. Second, your calculation speed will be much faster than the others. So that might have a problem with your friends. So that's all. Otherwise, there is not a single doubt from it. Right. So now you agree to the point we started. I initially started with the line, Vedic mathematics makes calculations magical. Do you believe in this or not? So with this, I would end today's class. So tomorrow we'll have the same time we'll start. Yes. Is it? Now you think that this is? Yes, Rachna. I gave you initially only that Vedic maths makes calculation simple, easy, and faster. Or in one word, it makes the mathematics magical. Do you believe in this or not now? Yes, Vishal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So anything, I'll again, I'll be sharing you homework. I'll be sharing you notes. So tomorrow we'll be meeting same time, and recordings you'll be getting in short interval, right? Any questions anyone has? All are in hurry.
No.
Okay then. Thank you.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm working in the early childhood development up to grade 3, up to grade 8 years, up to 8 years.
Sir, for that, I'll give you a separate. We'll discuss on that. For that, there is very important point. The point is, now every time you ask the students, check your answers, verify your answers. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Have you given any concept to verify your answers or check the answers?
Yes, every unit we give some tips and examples how to re-verify yourself.
For example, 12 plus 18, it is 30. Can you check? Can you verify?
Yes, we can verify reverse method by subtracting.
What do you teach first? Addition or subtraction?
Both consequently.
Sir, in no. First time in class 1, do you teach addition first or subtraction first?
Addition, sir.
Then how can a student who has learnt only addition, how can he verify using subtraction? They don't know till then what is subtraction.
You are right.
You understood my point. See, the point
you are taking the right point.
See, the point is we preach, we don't teach. I gave you one example. We say, my child is not focusing, my child is not concentrating, my child is not able to pay attention, but we have never taught how to pay attention, how to focus, how to concentrate. Second thing here, we always say, check your answers. As a teacher, if you are an examiner, you always say your students, please check your answers fast, verify your answers. But we have never taught the way how to check your answers, how to verify. This is why I say we preach, we don't teach. So there is a very simple concept in this that is called as digit sum. with which they can verify their answers within seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. What will happen? The thing is, when you know that your answer is correct, you will sound better. You will be more confident. So in my classes, my kids, my students, they are not saying, sir, is this the answer? They say, sir, this is the answer and I have checked, this is correct. So we need to develop the confidence in the students, and that will only come if they are able to verify their answers, if they are able to check answers, not on the calculators like we people are doing right now, or not from the answer key box. No. So for class 1, class 2, only one thing is required, to just create confidence in them. Whatever they are doing, that is correct or not. Rest we'll discuss on the syllabus, but not this is not the right platform for that. We'll discuss sometime later, or whenever I'll be there in Kathmandu, we'll have a detailed talk on that. Right, sir?
Thank you.
So anything else you can share with me, I'll just develop on that. Right. So thank you, everyone. And we'll have I'll share you the videos and the homework very shortly. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.